In this video, I'm gonna teach you two simple solutions on how to fix icons not showing in Taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Task Manager. The moment you do it, you would be able to open a new window called Task Manager. By the way, you can also navigate at your keyboard and press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together. Escape key is being shortened as ESC. Okay? Press Control Shift and ESC key together or Escape key, and that way you'll be able to open this window. So first, you need to navigate with the processes. And here at the first column of the processes, you need to locate for the Windows Explorer. So it might be running here under the apps or it might be in the Windows processes. So once you have find it, you need to make a right click and click on Restart. You may wonder why we need to restart the Windows Explorer. Okay, we need to restart the Windows Explorer because your taskbar will be restarted as well. So click on it and your problem will be fixed. Okay, so before we proceed to the second solution, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more relevant tutorials like this. Okay, we would love to appreciate that. So the second solution will be you need to press Windows key and R key together, and in that way you would be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for percentage app data percentage and click on the OK button to continue. So here in this new window, you need to proceed to the upper center screen. You can see their app data. Click on it. And there you need to navigate with the local, which is here in the first. So double tap to the local and go with the view here at the center. Click on it. Go with show and check the hidden items to view hidden ones. So once you have checked it, you would be able to see icon cached. Please make a right click and click on this delete. Once you are done, you need to navigate with View, go with Show, and uncheck the hidden items, and then close the window and restart your computer. So by that, here at the start, click on this one, and then you need to navigate with this Power Menu options and click on Restart. There is a need to restart in order to take the actions into an effect. In order to make any changes, restart your computer, and the moment you restarted it, you will be able to fix the problem. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully, those steps that help you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.